We want to make sure that we are providing for the future of the Baltimore City citizens. The conduit's a pipe or raceway used to accommodate wires or cables from manhole to manhole. And there's different types of conduit. On the Baltimore City system, you have a terracotta, which is a square clay pipe. It comes in 3-foot segments, and then you have what we're all putting in now is the PVC. So the old system was geared for an older technology when you had a few light bulbs in the house, and now that you have an increased service, you need more load. The wires need to be bigger, the manholes need to be bigger to accommodate the larger infrastructure. So we need to upgrade it for a couple reasons. One, to prepare for the future in electrification. The other thing is the old system's just falling apart. That terracotta pipe I told you about is 3-foot sections. It's like putting 2 clay pots together and burying them in your backyard. And then digging them up later and you expect them to be aligned. They're not aligned, they collapse. When they collapse, they pinch our cables. When our cables get pinched, they wind up faulting. So then when they fault, we come out there to replace the cable. We can't get it out because it's pinched where the ducts don't line up anymore. So then we have to excavate it. All that's happening when people are out of service. Every time we put our conduit in, right, we're trying to be a good host. So we'll always add spare conduits. And this will allow for affordable internet in the city, additional communication cables. We always try to add enough duct and conduit so it's meeting the future needs as well.